Sending you so much love. I'm going to share something that I don't usually focus on, but I feel called to. So, a lot of us are going through challenges internally, externally. There's a lot going on in this world right now, and it's really intense. I feel like there's an underlying energy that something is off, that there is an imbalance going on right now. And that is very true from the context of there are forces on this earth that do not want people to be happy, to be free, to be living in unity with each other, to be serving each other. And in terms of metaphysics, we call this the negative polarity. And the negative polarity tries to dominate and enslave and control and intentionally manipulate human beings for their own gain. And this is the root cause of why there is the imbalance, but paradoxically, it's also part of the balance of the universe, of the polarity, at least in this universe or in this plane of existence. So I feel like deep in our hearts, we all want happiness. We all want peace. We all want wealth. We all want all things good for us: friendships, community, health. And I feel like a lot of us are struggling to actually get to that place where we feel like we're living holistically. And it's hard. There's a lot going on, and it feels like sometimes there's a lot to fight against. There's a lot of stressors, there's a lot of confusion, and there's a lot of overwhelm. And I can see how it arises in my life, and I can see how it arises for all of us. That right now, things can feel very overwhelming. And I'm with you, and I hear you. And it is true that we are living in an extremely challenging time. And it seems like every day there's something, there's another hurdle, another problem, another paycheck in the mail, some sort of news coming from the global media that is negative. And this is all intentionally created because it's all about energy harvesting and basically siphoning people's attention and life force to then feed into uh, those stories and those specifically emotions. And the overwhelm is important to understand that it's just part of life, and we also are not ultimately the overwhelm. We are the awareness of our feelings. We are the awareness of our emotions. We are the awareness of our thoughts. And the thoughts can get crazy. And those will create feelings of stress and overwhelm in the body. And we need to be very conscious of what thoughts we are allowing into our life, allowing into our space, allowing into our home of ourself, and also simultaneously honoring whatever emotions are naturally arising that we can allow to be with us without uh, judging them for being bad. And that's something that I've had to learn in my life is at one point I felt like it wasn't spiritual to feel negativity or to feel negative emotions. And there's been moments in my life where I definitely react from ultimately a place of feeling like what happened in my past is going to happen again. And almost like my nervous system protecting itself from being hurt. So it goes into a defensive state. And I just want us to know that it's okay. It's okay that we react as long as we're willing to learn and grow from it is the most important. And we're going to make mistakes all the time. We're going to miss the mark a lot of the time. And this is all necessary for us to become more loving beings. And that love is here now. That love never leaves us. But part of being human is having this divine core, this divine center, and then also being totally flawed as a human at times. And the more I live, the more I'm understanding that you can't really escape this. We can be as aware of the I am present all we want, and we can be aware of God within us all we want, but life is still going to unfold, and there's going to be a lot of circumstances and challenges that are hard and are painful and require us to actually look at ourselves and realize how we were part of causing pain to ourselves and to our loved ones. So if you do feel overwhelmed by life, I just want you to know that you can stop and you can take a deep breath. And this is something that I'm learning when I feel triggered, when I feel overwhelmed, when I feel stressed, that I can stop and simply create the space for myself to feel that, so I don't put those negative emotions onto my loved ones, and I work through it, and then I can come out on the other side more regulated and centered. And this is a deep practice because it's easy to react. So we just need to keep on developing this within ourselves. So, on that note, take a deep breath and let go.